So we've had snow for about a month and it's been really cold, but we had a break in the weather, and after a couple days or 3 days of warmer weather, the snow is pretty much gone. It's still up to our house on the hill, but hopefully it's going to stay warm enough to get rid of that. So I thought I'd do some lumber salvage and cleanup today. And when I was working on the last roof project, I thought I was down to my last 2x6 because I thought that I had moved all the hemlock up here. And it turns out all this was down below. So I know this might be a lame thing, but it just goes to show how important it is to keep your materials organized. I totally forgot that I had put this down there. And now that I have used up quite a bit up here, now I have room to move it up here. So that's what I've been doing. It's quite a bit of work. I probably should have just put it on the truck and drove it up here, but I wasn't going to do it all. And then I thought, you know what? I'm not going to get a nicer day than this in the winter. So let's get it up here. So good lesson. Keep it organized, because you end up buying, because I almost went and bought some more. I thought I was going to run out. I came really close. And lo and behold, I had half a truckload here. Okay, let's get it inside and continue some lumber salvage.